Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Auto Skills. Today we are talking about Diahtsu Mira powertrain code P0400 exhaust recirculation valve. In this video we will show you the location of the EGR valve, exhaust recirculation valve. Its check engine light was on and the car engine power was also very less. So after diagnosing the car, we successfully took out the EGR valve, cleaned it and then fitted it again, and alhamdulillah the fault code was cleared. Usually when the EGR valve is stuck off or it is dirty, then the car's engine power becomes very weak. So this is the location of the EGR valve. If you would like to get more beneficial videos, be with us in the channel and subscribe our channel.